In this continuation video of graphs for JEE and NEET, we will see fourth point. While resolving a tricky graph or analyzing a graph, fourth point is very crucial. This point we will call as turn of tangent. So for using turn of tangent, we will take mod of the slope, that is dy by dx of the graph, which will be equal to mod of tan theta. That is, say if I have a graph, then the slope at any point, which is tan theta, is equal to dy by dx. So what we have done here, we took mod of both the sides. And now if mod dy by dx increases, then mod tan theta also increases. That is, when mod dy by dx increases, the tangent to the graph turns from horizontal to vertical. And when mod dy by dx decreases, then tangent to the graph turns from vertical to horizontal. Say, in graphs which does not have straight line nature, we can always use this property to resolve them. As we can see here, the tangent here is turning from horizontal to vertical. So we can conclude that in this region, dy by dx mod is increasing or vice versa. That is, if anyhow we get to know that dy by dx is increasing, then tangent will turn from horizontal to vertical. And in next section we see here that the tangent is turning from vertical to horizontal. So we can conclude that in this region dy by dx mod is decreasing or vice versa. That is, when dy by dx mod decreases, tangent turns from vertical to horizontal. Let us illustrate this property using a example. Say a particle is moving along x-axis whose displacement time graph is as shown. Now, based on this graph, we have to find nature of velocity and acceleration. So, as we can see here that the tangent turns from vertical to horizontal in the first half. Hence, the slope, which will be ds by dt in this case, and its magnitude is decreasing. Since the angle is acute, therefore we can safely say that velocity is decreasing. So, on a straight line, the particle is moving with decreasing velocity. In the second half, we can see that the tangent turns from horizontal to vertical. Therefore, mod ds by dt increases, that is, velocity, because the angle is again acute, increases. So the particle has initially decreasing velocity and later increasing velocity. So the velocity first decreases and then increases. Based on the information of velocity which we have generated, we can say that in the first half, acceleration was in backward direction, or it was case of retardation, because the speed was decreasing, whereas in second half the acceleration was in forward direction, or it was case of acceleration because speed was increasing. And hence we can obtain various information regarding graphs. Thank you.